Now we're going to discuss the railing. So in general, we have three different types of railings. It's classical wooden railings. Wooden railings, they depend if it's like a pressure treated railings, or you can do the cedar railings, or you can do the Ipe railings or Douglas fir. It's just the type of the lumber you're going to use. Of course, most pros for wooden railings, it's basically it's a price. So it's the cheapest price in the market, and it's most affordable, right? If we talk about longevity and if we talk about the quality, so like with any lumber, in let's say 5-7 years, your lumber gonna start to crack, it's gonna start to warp. It's really up to you what's important for you. Do you prefer like general look, or you prefer longevity? You can still keep wooden railings like safe for like more than 7 years, but then you need to do maintenance on them every like 3-4 years, which is sanding and restaining. Next, railings, let's say composite or vinyl railings. They are usually offered by big composite decking manufacturers. The pros for the red railings, they are more durable, right? So it's kind of vinyl material, but which still has a wooden post inside. So you basically put the covers on the posts. Longevity, but again, the price is higher here. And the railings, which I use the most in our area in Ontario, is aluminum railings. First of all, they come in 9 different colors. They come in more than 6 different profiles, and the style of the pickets is like around 30 different styles. So in general, you get like more than 150 options, and they all custom made, of course, right? But the price is high, but you get the longevity. So usually railings last even longer than deck itself.